Hey guys, welcome back to the Wisconsin Dells. This video requires a little bit of duct tape. So here we are. This is our first stop. We're over at the Kalahari looking at their new 75,000 square foot indoor water park expansion.
See over there, pipes, lots of rebar. Wow. Ton of footers going in over there. Ton of stuff poured. Ton of foundations in. They are actively working. Got a big old crane up. That's pretty awesome.
Next up, we're over here at the mountain coaster site. We can see that there is also active work being done here. There is some sort of footer that has been poured kind of down near the base. Some dirt has been moved, presumably for the parking lot. And yeah, it seems like this project is rolling along, even though we haven't really gotten any announcement yet or confirmation that this project is indeed for Skyland Ranch, even though we know that because of permits. It's always fun seeing these lines in the trees show up where the coaster will end up running. I also did this quick spin around thing to kind of show the context of where this is. This is a little bit off the beaten path, but the highway to the left is actually Highway A. That's what washed away a while ago with the Lake Delton dam collapse. But as you can see, we're really not that far from downtown. You can see the top of Icarus, and the rest of the Mount Olympus property is maybe only a couple miles away. Quick update on Olympus Road and Highway 12. As you can see, hotels numbers 8 and 9, I believe they were, of Mount Olympus are completely obliterated. And Olympus Road is more or less in. Obviously, they didn't plow it, but you can see through the trees here a pretty good outline of what the new resort entrance for Mount Olympus will look like.
Here we are at what used to be this is so dumb. This used to be the Flamingo Motel. Used to be like the main motel for this resort, and yeah, it very much does not exist anymore. Pretty crazy. Looks like they're I saw them working actually earlier. They're actively tearing it down. But, yeah. Dang. Pretty crazy.
Wow, Evan, what awesome footage. That was really shitty footage using the big ol' extendo stick for the first time. But yeah, that's a big motel that got tore down. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.